Dear students, today I am going to discuss about what is the meaning of business law and why the knowledge of law is required and what is the difference between law and rule. So that is to be discussed. The business, you know very well that business includes buying and selling. What is law? All the laws passed by the legislature or by the parliament is called as a law. Why the knowledge of law is required? There is one proverb that ignorance of law is no excuse. So, as a citizen of India, you must know the basic laws of the land. So, as a citizen of India, you must know the at least the basic knowledge of laws of the land. So, if after making any offense, you cannot avoid the punishment from the court. So, that is called ignorance of law is no excuse. What is the difference between law and rule? There is a lot of difference between law and rule. What is a law? All the laws passed by the parliament or the legislature is called as a law. Rules are usually framed by the concerned authorities. So, if we violated the rule, then concerned authority will take action against you. But law is violated, then court will take action against you. So, that is the difference between law and rule. Then, what are the various sources of business law? There are various sources of business laws are there. I already explained business means selling and purchasing. So, usually our business law is based on England common laws. What is common law? It is an unwritten law based upon custom, usage, and tradition developed by the society. So, common laws are very common in England, so that's why they are all called as a common law. Then the second one is equity. Equities are also called as unwritten law based on the concept of social justice. So they are separately developed by the particular community or the society. So equities are also the second source of business law. Then third one is statute law. Statute law means all laws passed by the legislature or the parliament is called as a statute law. Then fourth one is all the judgment and precedents of the court. Judgment and precedents are same. Judgment means all the decision given by the High Court or the Supreme Court will become a rule of law. So they are all based on common laws, equity, statute law, and precedent and judgments of the court. These are the four sources of business law.